All right, hello. Gonna give a walkthrough of the current project and just an update on where it's at. I'm at earthworks, primarily roughed in. Elevations have been all worked out. Here we got new, big, deep, canyon-like basin, goes all the way to the end now. And some of the dirt came here and became this big berm going all the way around the backside of the mesquite. Catch this water here, and most everything else come off the roof and down the gutter and then to this basin. So we got it set right now where there's a bridge that'll go right here. And the water comes in and will flow first that way, fill this whole section in, and then overflow as far as it needs to that way. There's thousands of gallons of capacity here. I don't know how big it is, but there's a lot. So, and then the earth that came out of here became a trail. So now we have a little elevated path going down through here, which helps. You can see a slight elevation maybe on that there. So this whole section right here now, all through here, all of this is now sort of a real shallow basin. So anything that comes sheeting from the neighbor's house under the fence will get caught here and keep it from running towards the house. And so path snakes through the bushes to the back gate. And then here is the other new mega basin. Water comes in from the street, which is pretty ample. Originally, the issue was it had been flowing down the street and into a house. So now we've got it going to come this way into this basin, which is designed to ultimately overflow out this way. But first, it comes in and we'll fill all of this up first. It's deep over there. Fill all of that in before it then finally snakes its way out over to the next set of basins. So another really, really large holding capacity and a really great infiltration rate right here in the soil. The soil here is really compacted, having trouble with drainage, but this right here, the soil is great at the feet of all these creosotes to suck up a ton of water. And so as much water as this road can give us, I think we'll be able to take it all in. This comes from the other gutter, and then down the swale to this next little sort of a depression. It's not really a basin, just kind of a depression. The last gutter coming down from that part of the house. I'll splash down now. We've got a nice open, big, wide path. Boop, down to the basin. And then continues flow out around the creosotes and then down that line out there to the road. And this pile here was a leftovers of the construction from the addition on the house. And so we sculpted it a bit. And this creosote here in the middle, it's got a little basin built for it. I'm going to stone this all in up against that back wall and hug it. And there's a trail now. We have a little path. Comes up the berm. Just a little high spot. Look down and see stuff. Here's the kids' rumpus area back here for making adobe and stuff. So yeah, that's pretty much where we're at right now. The elevations are set, just needs to get prettied up. And then we'll get rocking here and get to rocking. And all these edges, anywhere there's a tall vertical edge, all of that will all get rocked in. Rocked around here with a nice splashdown that comes down, so it's got lots of protection. Canyon on the far side is going to have a lot of rock in it. And yeah, and maybe some accent stuff around these citrus trees. So here we are.